Oh wow. Ooh, let me see.
Welcome, ladies and gents. This is a story of a universal holiday. A holiday filled with who's, Grinches, donkeys and ogres, your occasional squid. Yes. But before we can get to the festivities, let's start at the beginning. It's a nod to Ghostbusters. The green slime is for Slimer, in case, but the marshmallow is for the Marshmallow Man when they decide what the embodiment of soul is gonna be. Welcome to the Universal Tribute Store and Post. Guaranteed packages before the 24th. Come one, come all, guaranteed to get your package there before Christmas Eve's nightfall. We have snacks and goodies for while you wait in line. And not to worry, we wizarding folks, you'll be just fine. Earl's got you covered. He was the #1 nut collector of his year. Earl's got you covered, even though Santa is near. The Holiday Tribute Store, even though it's just a shopping experience, it definitely shows off the creative nature of Universal as a whole. Checking the mobile app for wait times definitely help you navigate throughout your day, even help you decide on what to eat. Talking about food, here's Louie's. Honestly, one of the best pizza places on property. They do pizza as well as desserts, gelatos, and a few other Italian things. Alright, so this is my first time actually experiencing King Cross Station closed. And man, do you feel it, like having to go out the front gate to go in the other gate. So I kind of realized how much of a luxury this thing really is, and man, do you miss it. So the time before this that I went, the Arrows fountain was on, but this time around it was off, so it's more historically accurate, I guess, right? How the real one is always off. It's too bad the night bus doesn't run back and forth now, right? Gonna be a bumpy ride. We love Diagon LA. Honestly, no matter how many times I come to visit here, every time I come here, the magic is just so immersive. How about a non-muggle beverage? Look at that.
So we discovered a concoction yesterday that we had to come back to show you guys. Basically a Wizard's Brew and a butterbeer mixed.
Together.
What was it, 60-40?
60-40. Yeah, definitely 60-40. 60 Wizard's Brew, 40 on the butterbeer.
Alright, let's go make our drink.
Let's go.
What do you get when you mix a Wizard's Brew and a butterbeer? A butter brew.
Or which is beer? We'll let you decide.
What do you guys think?
Alright. Well, this needs no introduction. This is frozen butterbeer. If you haven't had it, it's like a frozen cream soda, but with butterscotch added to it. Cheers. Now, Witch's Brew is coffee.
Wizard's Brew.
Oh, that's right. Wizard's Brew. So I kept saying Witch's Beer.
Yeah,
like,
you made a new thing.
I made a new thing. It's okay, so Wizard's Beer. So Wizard's Brew. This is chocolate style. The best chocolate style, yeah. I don't know. This is like, I think most chocolate styles use like dark chocolate or just cacao. Like, I feel like this has milk chocolate and dark chocolates in it. So it just feels...
It's not as bitter as that. We've tried to find this at like 3 or 4 different places back home and we haven't found anything
that compares. Alright, so we got about the proportions just right. chocolate coffee, frozen coffee look. Absolutely perfect. So what it does is it gives you a bite from the beer. The sweetness from the butter beer offsets it, but doesn't overpower it. So you still get the nice aftertaste from the brew itself, but gives you a nice sweetness and brings it nice and cold again with the butter beer. Highly recommend.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. Time to inquire about opening an account.
What was that?
The Weasley's Wildfire Whiz-Bangs.
Bilvis, what are you doing here?
The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault.
You are now approaching the cart station.
Alright, we're gonna date this video. Migration just came out. This giant inflatable duck is here now, little ducky. We need more giant inflatable things in the lake when there's no water show. So I guess pretty soon we're gonna be able to start going to Shrek's swamp. But definitely his hut. The scale of this structure gives me so much hope in comparison to the signage that they gave us. I don't think the sign is a sign of things to come. Alright, moving on.
Shrek down here in another world with adventure.
It's the happiest season of all. With family and friends, the fun never ends all through the year.
It's your mom's fave. This is for you, Seiko.
Yeah, they can never get rid of you. There is no Universal trip without a visit to the Green Planet and Easy.
His friend Tickly Mook Mook needs a healing touch.
Sarah, Elvin, Trevor.
So I'm usually not the type of person to do meet and greets, but I'm breaking out of my shell to just try new things.
Great. The crusty crab.
Oh look, sandy squirrel, loungefly.
Just want to say hi.
Watching the human tank.
Are you waiting for SpongeBob?
Quite interesting,
I don't think he's having a good day.
Taking a video, Squidward.
Please come again when I'm not working.
So I kind of found out today I passed my recruiting test.
Attention, all available agents to immigration. Please change your records check.
Heads up, hot shot. Agent J, time to see what you're made of. Oh, and
Sounds about right. the Lemur group in the parade definitely had the most energy. And it's a long route from what I can tell. Alrighty, we've crossed over to the Island of Adventures. Grinch's heart in a pillow. Before it grew 3 sizes too big, right? Or 3 sizes bigger. Some mascarpone pillow with red velvet chocolate heart sitting on top of a graham cracker, and I don't know what the green powder is, but I think it's matcha. I don't think it's like powdered sugar colored or anything like that. So, let's see. Gotta make sure you get all 3 elements in one bite, right? Sorry, Mr. Grinch, you're breaking your heart. Alright. Cheers! Alright, you know what? You're gonna need a knife for this graham cracker in the middle, because definitely get a knife. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10. Only because I really like the mascarpone that is light and fluffy, but the fact that the graham cracker is bending my fork. And you need it for the balance. Like, you need the graham cracker in each bite, in my opinion at least. But yeah, 7 out of 10. It is solid. The who-lidays definitely brought the excitement in everybody. I mean, look at the wait times to meet the Grinch. Crazy. But if you're a pass holder, sometimes you get surprises like this.
At a Sony? Wow, where'd you get that? Can I have it? It's Christmas. It's the time of giving. Come on, give me this thing. Oh wow. Ooh, let me see. Let me see. Hold on. What do you got? What is that?
Oh, it's just a cell phone.
Is that a Sony? What this thing? What is this? What is this stick on?
This is actually to hold it steady.
To hold it steady? Really? Show me how steady you can be. All right, do some jumping jacks. Come on. Oh, hey, it's pretty steady.
Seuss Landing, I think, is one of the most decorated parts of the park, tied only with the Wizarding World. And the daytime's cool, but this land at night. I think it's time for some magic. No, but right now I think it's time to get some grub. Alright, we're not gonna judge it based on the churros, but the flan is perfect. The flan's consistency wasn't too thick and wasn't too pudding-like. The way the flavors come together with the sweet potato gives it just so much body and uniqueness. I don't know. 10 out of 10, must have again. This was really the magic I was talking about.
Season's greetings to one and all.
What better way to end the journey than with Voodoo Donuts? But we had the Voodoo doll on top, but as you can see, that kind of went missing. But 10 out of 10 would recommend. Would definitely eat again. And so I will catch you on the next snack, next place, next time. Peace.
Right now. Bow your head. Well, go on, man.